Inspired by my recent trip to Kerala and the river fish in the backwaters, this is one of my favorite fish of the time. It used to be controversial, but it is now called the quick tilapia fish fry. Let's start cooking. Now you're going to find a lot of fish fry recipes. Now this one here is, I recently went to a friend's house and they had made it, but they had made it with mackerel. Now tilapia, this is a farm tilapia which I work very close to a farm and they have just supplied me this. So what we've done is we've just cleaned, we've gutted it out completely, right? We've cut it out, trimmed the heads out. So we've got this really nice fish. This is a great fish to fry as well, okay? And also a great fish in curries as well, okay? It's eaten a lot in Asia like the Philippines, and now recently the Nile tilapia, okay, the river Nile tilapia is also being promoted everywhere. Perfect. So let's start a marination. For this, I've got a very nice different kind of marination which has curd, okay? So I'm literally going to make a very thick kind of a marination. So we've got some curd here. So I've got about half a cup of curd or plain yogurt. I've got 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Brilliant. And then I have 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then I have salt to taste, okay? I also have some lemon juice and corn flour which goes really well with the fish. So once this is done, so I'm using cornstarch in this which will help to coat the marination on the fish much better. So I've got about a tablespoon of corn flour, okay? Perfect. So now I'm going to give this a little mix. Nice. Now various cultures use there are various preparations. Some people like to add semolina, thodi suji ki rava to give that crispiness. This is just corn flour, yogurt and all our spices. It's a really one of those quick fry marinations. So you could marinate this a couple of hours in advance and keep it as well. And the whole thing is that if you plan what you're cooking, this works out really well, okay? Now, the fish is fresh. It's going to be very good to eat, okay? Also, the thing is that the fish takes much less time than actually meat to marinate, as we all know. And the fish is fresh, you don't need to overspice it. I don't believe in that at all, okay? I want to taste the fish when I'm eating the fish. It's normal, isn't it? So a nice quick recipe for you. You know, you want to try this recipe even with some vegetables or with chicken, and you want to like pan fry the chicken. I think this is a great marination for a grilled chicken breast as well, okay? Now we're going to be literally shallow frying this now, okay? I'm going to be using a light soybean oil, okay, to pan fry my fish. If you want to go the southern way, then you can also do a nice coconut oil as well, okay? So, perfecto. So we're going to be using a nice light soybean oil to pan fry this fish, literally. Bingo, lovely. Now what I love about soybean oil is that it's neutral in flavor, it's relatively quite healthy to eat as well, and especially when I'm frying like that, soybean oil has a very less absorption, okay? So chip nahi hota hai wo, okay? And we've got a nice little radish and onion kachumbar along with a little bit of lemon to go beautifully with this fish. Anything simple, anything nice will be absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of onions as well. Beautiful. And I have, in case you want to spice it up, we have a little bit of chili here. We have some lovely fresh mint here. So this literally, you could actually eat all this with the fish as a perfect condiment. That's all you need. Enjoy a lovely quick recipe using a fabulous fish. This is the easy tilapia fish fry.